Hello and greetings from Observatory. This is a new house that I offer for sale today. It's a terraced house with parking that the one house made on the one side and the other has a huge olive tree. It's a short little side street in Observatory. Devil's Peak is at the end there. This is autumn in Cape Town. You can see all the houses in the street. That's Lower Main Road over there, and let's go and see what it looks like on the inside. There are a few steps up. There is a garden area. This front porch stoop has got a covered roof. It's north facing and it offers big sash windows in the front. It all seems to be in a good condition and working order. There are wood floors right throughout the house. They are all pretty solid. The tenants have moved out and the house needs painting. It also the floors need to be sanded. This property is a renovation project. So if you're looking to buy and sell property, or you want to do some turn the house into the way you like it to be, then this is the property for you to consider. It is easy to show you around the house as it's empty and I have the keys and I live just around the corner, so I could easily meet you here and show you around. There's a little feature that is included with the house. The property comes the way it is. Look at the floors, they're all in fairly good condition. Some of the windows have been replaced here in the back. These are aluminium windows, they're in perfect condition. There are some work required. Seems to be something to do with damp there. Let's walk down the passage. It's quite a spacious home because it has this lounge area and then also a dining area there before you get to the kitchen. The whole of the back of the house is private. There are some challenges. You can see here are some looks like dry rot. You can see that you will need to attend to, but this floor that we are looking at right now, all the way to the kitchen, is a new floor. Looks like South African pine, and here Oregon pine, all solid. So you're not going to need to do too much work on the flooring, it seems like it. The kitchen is a bit outdated, but functional the way it is. The property comes at a very good price, so I suggest that you go and have a look at my website. It's the cheapest house in Observatory right now. It is by far not the smallest. It's very nice and spacious. It has a prepaid meter for buying electricity. This is what it looks like when you look back towards the front. The house is in a quiet street. It's all peaceful this time of the day. You can hear it also. The bathroom has a hand basin, water closet, and a shower over the bath. This is tiled, this part here. And then on the outside, the roof is a tile roof. And it has got a fairly spacious courtyard here at the very back also. There's a tap in the front, by the front garden. There's an electricity point here in the very back, and it has also a built-in braai in what seems like a little servitude that has been enclosed here, and which is now incorporated into this property. So if you want to find out more or make an appointment to view, then Werner, I'm your man. I would love to show you around. All the details at hotpropertyinCapetown.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.